Welcome to English Learn with Zohan. Total question 15. Time 5 seconds each questions. Good luck. Subscribe now and never stop learning. Learn smart. Are you ready? Let's begin.
Question 1. He never been to London? Option B is the correct answer. Question 2. ITV when she called. Option C is the correct answer. The room cleaned yesterday. Option A is the correct answer. Question 4. We the answer by now. Option C is the correct answer. Question 5. There a lot of traffic today? Option A is the correct answer. Question 6. You like to have some tea? Option B is the correct answer. Question 7. The girl standing at the gate. Option A is the correct answer. Question 8. It raining since morning. Option B is the correct answer. Question 9. My uncle in the army. Option D is the correct answer. Question 10. The guests arrived on time. Option B is the correct answer. Question 11. A new road being built here. Option A is the correct answer. Question 12. My phone at home. Option C is the correct answer. Question 13. He playing the guitar when I saw him. Option A is the correct answer. Question 14. She always kind to others. Option B is the correct answer. Question 15. The bell before we entered the class. Option C is the correct answer.